meteorologist Ed Bloodsworth with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
All right, we remain weather alert tonight as we are anticipating a fairly vigorous system to bring a threat of tornadoes and winds to the Gulf Coast tonight. At this point, we are dealing with, yes, some windy, gusty conditions, but no active severe weather. But we are seeing new showers developing here in this now warmer, more unstable air mass. But everything at this point is below severe limits. But more rain, more storms over Lucedale, where we've had some reports of some minor damage tonight, and also up towards Greene County. Also into lower Alabama, Washington County, getting some good downpours near Chatham, Jackson as well, a couple of rumbles of thunder, and then farther north and east, more rain continuing to roll on through Monroe and Conecuh counties as well. Now farther closer to the coast, not seeing as much activity, but notice new storms are beginning to develop out in the Gulf of Mexico, and this is exactly what we anticipated, as we'll see now that the air mass becomes warmer, more unstable, and with plenty of wind shear present, with an approaching a squall line, a cold front, that will help to trigger more storms. Now, ahead of the actual severe storms, these are your current wind gusts. Just had a wind gust of 40 miles per hour for Grand Bay, Mobile, Bay Minette. We're gusting to 39 in Pensacola, 37 miles per hour up in Evergreen, and a wind gust of 38 in Leakesville. And these wind gusts will get even higher tonight. Watch these numbers. Winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour potentially, and that does not include, again, gusty storms, gusts within storms. Bottom line, those winds, those cells will cause some issues with power outages through the rest of the night. We'll get more of a westerly wind and an overall lighter breeze through the day on Tuesday as the air mass begins to dry out over the Gulf Coast. So high wind warnings remain. High surf warning also in effect for the coast, and again the coastal flood warning and advisories for our coastal locations, and expect even gale warnings will continue through the day tomorrow. Low clouds out there. That's a live look from our studios looking off to the west. We picked up some ferocious downpours early today, and look at the wave activity at Orange Beach continuing to rise. 10 to 15 foot swells expected there from our Sweat Tires cam, and from Fort Walton Beach, rain coating our camera lens, the surf continuing to rise. So this line of severe thunderstorms, the main window comes after midnight tonight, and that's again when we enter our severe threat for your Tuesday morning time frame, midnight to 4 a.m. for our Mississippi counties into Washington County, Mobile, Baldwin counties. Points to the north. That orange shaded area represents a storm window from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. And again, it's going to take until 8 a.m., 7 or 8 a.m. Tuesday morning for all of the storms to exit our area. So we got a good 10 hours to go to deal with this severe threat. So again, this area of rain will continue to fill in over the next couple of hours. All of these storms could be strong or severe and drop some locally heavy rain. After 4 a.m., we anticipate that the storms will continue to work east of Mobile Bay, and then again, drier air begins to work its way into our area, and cooler air as well. High of 53 on Wednesday, morning lows in the 30s, and we'll be watching another round of storms potentially coming in by the time we head towards your Friday. So very active 10 hours ahead for the Gulf Coast, and we'll certainly be able to keep everybody updated.
All right. We have a long way to go, and already seeing